Sawadee Krap, and welcome to another episode of Siam Center Law Group Podcast. Today, we're going to delve into an important topic that is quite prevalent in Thailand: defamation lawsuits. In this modern era of social media, defamation cases have become more common and easier to pursue. So, if you find yourself sued for defamation in Thailand, let's explore 5 main ways to fight back. The first method is to argue that there is no legal damage caused by your statements. For instance, if the plaintiff initiated the conflict or has been oppressing you, and you responded with strong words, it may not be considered defamation. Similarly, if you have been subjected to insults from the beginning, defending yourself might not be seen as defamation. The second method is to assert that your statements were true, but you didn't mention the name of the person directly or make it immediately obvious who you were referring to. In such cases, it may not be considered defamation. However, it's important to be cautious. If you provide sufficient details for the audience to easily identify the person being defamed, it can still be considered defamation. If someone needs to investigate to determine the target of the statements, it may not qualify as defamation. The third method applies when your statements are merely insulting and impolite. In such instances, if the insult is not based on a true claim, it might not be defamation but could still be considered a crime of insult. The fourth method is to argue that you did not have the intention to defame. For example, if you were forced into the situation or felt compelled to express your feelings as a member of the general public, it may be seen as a defense against defamation. Lastly, it's important to note that all defamation cases in Thailand are subject to a 3-month statute of limitations. This means that if you become aware of the defamation, you must bring the case to court within 3 months, otherwise, it will be terminated. Remember, it's crucial to seek legal advice and consult with a qualified professional if you find yourself facing a defamation lawsuit. They can guide you through the complexities of the law and help determine the best course of action based on your specific situation. Thank you for tuning in to today's episode. I hope you found the information valuable. Until next time, Sawadee Krap.